I just can't stop looking at it. Look at that. I mean, that's a copper bar. Feels nice and heavy, so that can only be a good sign from a bullion dealer, surely. Good morning, I hope you're well. I've just had this come through the post. I have no idea what it is, but I do know where it's from. It's been sent to me from the cool guys and girls down at Cardiff Gold, and they said they're going to send me a little something, so let's get straight on into it, because I have no idea. It feels nice and heavy, so that can only be a good sign from a bullion dealer, surely. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Right, so let's find... Here we go, let's find my knife. Now let's see what's in this bad boy. So excited. Oh dear. So as I said, it's got a bit of weight, so let's see what they've been up to, what's going on. As you can see, very professional. Such good packet. There we go. Right. Oh, it's like past the parcel. Oh my word. It feels really nice. It feels really chunky and really nice and sharp. I want to say sharp almost. Ah, another layer of packing. Oh, we're getting to the suit. Oh, look at that. You can look at this. Oh my word. I can just see the colour. Well, if you can see the colour, it's copper. And this will be one of my very first copper bars. I haven't got a copper bar. Oh my word. Look at this. Oof. Oh my word. Are you getting that? Cardiff Gold. 4 9s. Fine copper. 1 kilo. Look at the finish of that. It's in some cellophane. I'm not going to take it. Do I take it out the cellophane? Oh, I don't know. That's going to look really cool in my backdrop. Stood up like that. Let's have a... Sorry about this. Oh, some stuff you shouldn't see. As you can see, very professional here over at Silver Punk. But when I'm zoomed in, that's going to look very, very cool. Right, here we go. This is what you'd normally see. Look at that. What, oh my word. I'm not a copper guy. As you know, I'm silver. But I think I could be turned with stuff like this. Look, it just feels such a... For the size of it, let me just zoom back out again. Ooh. For the size of it, it's just amazing. And look at that Cardiff Gold. How cool is this? And it feels so nice. It's just a lovely chunk. Oh, I really want to take it out. I'm going to have to ask someone, do I take it out? Because copper goes that cool colour, doesn't it? It goes like, I don't know what they call it, but when it tones, it goes all dark. And then eventually, if it gets a bit damp, it goes all greeny. It'll look really cool, all toned up. But look at that. It's just so sharp. It just... Oof. How cool is that? And of course, we've got the good old Stacker Social Pokemon card. You go, you got to get them all. How cool is that? Some really cool stuff's going down in Stacker Social. You need to go and check it out. I'll put a link below. And of course, Dan and Tash and all the folks down at Cardiff Gold, you've got to go and check them out. Links below in the description. They do some really cool videos. They play Jenga, you know, quite casually with, you know, gold bars, 100 grand's worth of gold bars they're playing Jenga with.
Behold the Jenga tower.
So you want to play Jenga with over 2 kilos of gold?
So it's worth going to check them out just for that. But if you do like your copper, I'm guessing you'll be able to pick some of them bad boys up as well off his site soon. So go and check them out. And I think that looks so cool. I think I need another one over here. Sorry, Pokemon. Look at that with the light coming off that now. How cool's that? Copper punk, silver punk, copper punk. But thank you so much. My first copper bar. And looking at that, it's not going to be my last, because it's really, really cool. That's what I've got for you today, guys. Really cool unboxing. And yeah, I'm just going to sit around holding this like a... It just feels so good. A kilo of copper. You having that? Kilo of copper. Hey, that might make a good thumbnail, mightn't it? Like that. Oh, you can see Sai in the background though, can't you? Wicked stuff. Now, I haven't quite finished. I'm going to take it out. Why not? I'm going to take it out. I'm a rebel, aren't I? I'm a punk. Oh, my word. You getting that? Look at the finish. Look at that. How cool is that? If you're stacking, if you're into your copper, that's a sharp bar. It really is. So cool. So cool. No, I'm so excited. And it's only a piece of copper. I say only, it's just wicked. I haven't got none. I think I've got a couple of... I tell a lie. I think that guy sent me a couple of copper rounds. They're over in the stack. But yeah, that is... Wow, it's copper. I can't. It's just really cool. I'm a bit lost for words because of how cool it is. It's just like a proper tower of copper. And I'm so sorry to Cardiff Gold and Dan and all the folks there. This is probably the worst review you'll ever see, but it's just the simplicity. This is the thing. Simple things are very difficult to get right, and let's be honest, that's really simple. It's just a rectangle. It's just what is it, a rectangle? What do you call it? Cubes, a square one, isn't it? So whatever that is, it's like a big long... No, not cuboid. Oh, I don't know. Whatever the rectangular thing is, it's just a good block, rectangular block of copper, and just a simple design. But as we know, the simple stuff's so hard to get right, and this is just right. This absolutely knocks it out of the park. Wicked stuff. Right, I am going this time. Cheers, folks. Have a good one.